Let's go.
DJ, we wanna party.
Let's go.
DJ, we wanna party. DJ, we wanna party.
Hi guys, it's again Makemeja. Well, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you've been here before, and welcome to the new subscribers. So today we are going on a trip with friends and family. So stay tuned and watch out for the journey. Okay guys, before we start this journey, please like this video, share, subscribe, and click on the bell notification to get notified for every video that I post. So guys, we just got here. We literally spent like 5 hours on the way. As you can see, I'm tired. And that's the view. So I'm gonna be showing you guys around. As you can see, the nature, everything looks beautiful. Let's enjoy the nature together, guys. So guys, we're obviously here to have some fun. So we're gonna be starting something called street fries, asking people about how much their outfit costs and stuff.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen,
but it's all
welcome
fun
to
though.
Max Street Fries. How you doing? How you doing? Yo, Biju, I saw you walking around. How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, we are good. Can you do 360 for the camera, please?
Okay.
Okay. Isn't she stunning? No, stop playing. Yeah, I see you all dripping, all fly. Yeah. Is it your first time to Kpatawee?
Yes, of course. It's my first time to Kpatawee, and I feel like it's actually good out here. The nature, like the cool air, everything is actually good, and I'm loving it.
Yeah, that's good. That's why Labrador brings joy, bro. Stop playing. And I always ask you because the way you speak, you sound kind of different. So I want to ask, are you from here?
No, I'm not actually from here. I'm from Guinea, and I studied there, so obviously, yeah. But I'm not a Liberian though.
Okay, that's nice. Welcome to Liberia and enjoy our Christmas festival. See you looking at drip offline. Yeah, can I like rate your outfit, please?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, I want to say out of 10, I want to rate you 9.5, bro. 9.5. You late as fuck, bro. Alright. So we're gonna do a count of the outfit and say how much you get a chain?
That chain, I got it for $50, and it's a silver though.
$50.
Yes.
Wow, that's quite expensive. And the watch?
That was 650 USD.
Whoa, come on, bro, stop playing. And the eyeglasses, the sunglasses?
The sunglasses were for $20.
Okay, the sandals, this all fly.
Okay, so I actually got this from Liberia, and I bought it for $10.
Okay, that's what we do. We wear quality though.
Yeah.
And the dress, it's fine. It brings the vibe of the environment. So how much did you get the dress?
I actually didn't buy this. My aunt sent it from the States, so it was a gift.
Anyway, but thanks, for today, and hope you enjoy the day.
Hello guys, my name is Kpatawee, and now we are at Kpatawee. So I'm going to be interviewing my brother. His name is
Negeba.
Okay, so we'll be doing some Kpatawee fries. So guy, can you do some 360 for the camera, please? Okay. So can you tell us how much you bought this shirt?
This is $25.
Okay, and your underwear?
No, this was a give, Well, just a giveaway,
What about your necklace? Is it a silver or what?
It was a simple surprise, This was just a surprise.
Okay, so how much did you buy your pants?
That one's 25.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm being serious. I bought this from Tobari.
Okay, so what about your shoes?
Yeah, this is 25 too. Also from the same top barriga. Also, you can find on Gary Street. You know, it's a good material.
Okay. So like, how did you see the trip? How? What do you think about it?
You know, like from the beginning, you know, like I wasn't expecting, you know, the trip to be the type of way, you know, like the turn up, you know, because like I received a lot of disappointment at the beginning, so I was really stressed, you know, but at last, you know, I got all up with a turn up. But the view is not bad, everything is good, you know, because this is our second time here to also, yeah. So, but we still want to come here every time, more time, you know, to celebrate.
Okay, guys, so we are Kpatawee live, and this was Nege. Please make a 360 for the camera again. Thank you, Mr. Negeba. You can hang up. We are getting another brother. What is your name, please?
Musa Mbelete.
Okay, Musa and Bete. So, how do you see the trip?
Yeah, the trainer, but actually play school.
Okay, that's great. So, can you make some 360 for the camera, please? Okay, Musa, that's good. So, like, can you tell us how much you bought your share?
Actually, I got my own production. I can do the shirt for $25.
Okay, guys. So, if you want any shirt or a printed shirt, he actually makes his own mark, and this is Bility. And you said he made it for how much?
25.
$25. Okay, that's great. So, if in case you want any printed shirt, you can actually contact Mr. Musa. So, how much did you buy your pants?
$20.
Okay, so what about your shoes?
I bought a shoe 25.
Okay, so like, what do you think about the whole Kpatawee from the in town to here?
Yeah, the play is conducive and free and kind. The play not bad. Can't even like yeah.
Okay, guys, so thank you to our brother Musa. Now we're gonna move to the next person. Guys, so welcome back to the Kpatawee Fries. We are going to be asking another brother. What's your name, please?
Randall.
Okay, Randall, you're welcome. So like, what's up? Like, what do you think about the Kpatawee trip?
The trip is amazing. You know, the place is beautiful. Like, I love nature, the waterfall, the environment, everything is okay. So I love it here.
Okay, that's great. So can you make some 360 for the camera, please? Okay, so do you mind telling us how much you bought your jacket?
You know, my name is Randall, so I do everything on Randall Street.
Oh.
So you already know. So this is
With the
$15. Yeah, the hour, as you can see.
Okay, he's dripping. Okay, so how much did you get the shirt?
You know they share, but I take it from Randall Street. Pop, Liberty.
Bomb is 100, guys. Like, it actually means 100 Liberian dollars. Okay, so how much did you buy your chain?
The chain I bought it, let's see, $200 Liberian dollars.
Okay, so what about your bracelet?
So this was a gift. I didn't spend on it. This was a gift from a friend.
Okay, so what about your shirt?
$10.
That's great. It's actually good for $10.
This is SB Nag. You already know the price.
Okay, guys. So can you make another 360 for the camera? So guys, we are with Randa. We're gonna find someone else to be with. We are Kpatawee live. Guys, we're still here live at Kpatawee, and now we'll be asking our sister Zainab. So, like, can you do some 360 for the camera, please? Okay, she's actually dripping, guys. You can tell she's dripping. So, do you mind if we ask you, like, how much you bought your stuff? Yeah, no problem. Okay, so how did you get your cap, please? I borrowed it. Oh my goodness! She was so bold to say she borrowed the cap. No, Alasha, we will continue. So, how much did you get the shirt? I get it from Shine. Okay, like how much?
Probably 15.
$15. Okay, she got the shirt from Shine and it was $15. So how much did you get the trousers?
I get each other for 20. What else?
Okay. So your phone, what kind of phone are you using?
SS Max.
iPhone what?
SS Max.
How much did you buy it?
I give.
Okay, so how much did you get your shoe?
The sling got at 30, but I paid 25.
Okay, so what about your watch? I can see you are shining.
I give.
Okay, that was a gift. So what about your necklace? It actually looked good.
I buy 150.
150. That's Liberian dollars, guys. Okay, so Zainab, can you make some 360 again for the camera? So like, how do you see the whole environment of Kpatawee? Like, how are you enjoying the trip?
And buy. Aeroness and okay, everything. Okay, guys, so stay tuned. We'll still be here. We are Kpatawee. We are live. Okay, guys, so we're back again with our brother Swelly. Please make some 360 for the camera, please. Okay, so he's dripping as you can see. So Swelly, like, how much did you get your share?
Oh, this was 2 of 15. I got it from Waterfalls, 2 of 15.
Okay, so what about your pants?
Oh, this was, let's say, I'm around the $12.
Okay, so how much did you buy your Crocs?
Oh, like 1.5, bro. Cheap, bro. 1.5, cheap.
1.5 as in what? Like, make
LD, 1.5 LD, bro.
1,500 Liberian dollars, guys. So how much did you get your necklace? I can see it's very.
This, I think, it was cheap, bro. It was, let's say, 5 to 600. 5 to 600. Cheap.
Okay, so I can see you wearing a earring. Is it ice?
Yeah, very nice.
So how much did you get it for?
215. 250.
US?
250 LD, bro.
Okay, guys, so we're with our brother Swelly. Like, guy, like, how did you see the whole trip, the environment, everything?
Oh, it was very cool, bro. I see it could be exciting because this is my second time here, you know. You yourself can make this better for yourself. No one can make it better. You can make this trip exciting, bro. See, it'll be very nice, bro.
Okay, guys, so that was Swelly with me, and I can see like he's actually kind of enjoying the environment because this is his second time, and so stay tuned while I bring up someone else. Okay, guys, so now we have Kamo, the whole organizer. Kamo, like, guy, you dripping. Please make some 360 for the camera. Okay, guys. So he's one of the organizers actually. He's my little brother, but we're still gonna ask him some questions though. So guy, like, can you tell where you got your glasses from?
Oh, I bought it at Tiwa Boutique.
How much?
$50.
Okay, so you got that for $50, and your shirt, please.
$20, yes. Tiwa Boutique.
Okay. And your watch, is it an iWatch?
For China, $70, yes.
Okay, so how much did you get your shirt, man?
20. Tiwa Boutique.
It doesn't mean he actually loves TY. So how much did you get the shoes? That you need to come closer.
Something around like 70, 80.
From where?
Dubai.
Oh my goodness, so he got his shoes from Dubai, like, guys. So like, what's up with the trip? Like, how do you think the trip is going? Is it going to expectation or not?
No, well, like what we expected, you know, going to plane, you know, because like we dream and hope for a huge turn up, and thank God for us, you know. We recently, you know, everybody having fun time. So like, if when everybody happy, I'm really happy though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So that's come on one of the organizers. Stay tuned while we bring someone else to you. So guys, welcome back. This is Ozzy, the almighty Ozzy. If you say Hustler 11, right? So Ozzy is always part of Hustler 11, guys. So we're gonna be, even though he's not well dressed, but we're still gonna ask him like how much he got his shirt.
My shirt?
Yeah.
$15 from Tiwa collection.
Is this it? People really like Tiwa collection, yeah?
That's the best brand in the country right now.
Okay, wow. Okay, so I think I'll actually visit Tiwa collection. So I don't know if it's gonna be rude, but how much did you get your boxer?
My boxer, I get it 3 for 15.
Okay, so can you make some 360 for the camera? Okay, guys, so we're with Ozil and stay tuned, guys. So we're still here live at Kpatawee, and now we are with Mr. Mohammed Masare. Can you please make some 360 for the camera? Okay, Mr. Mohammed Masare. So, like, can you tell us like how much you bought your shirt?
I got my shirt a while, so you know, the green shirt, 3 for 20 shirts. You know, is one of the 3 that I wore to this one. That's that.
Okay, so what about your shirts?
Wow, this is top notch quality. So I got my shirt for $15. Yeah, you see quality in it, bro.
Okay, so I can see you dripping. So how much did you buy your shirt?
Oh, easy? I got my easy for 20. Yeah, real 20. I got it for 20. See it? You know, nowadays we don't really wear this, so it's become quite expensive on the market. So.
Okay, so a bracelet, I can see they actually look good. So like, how much did you get them for?
So these, they are just regular bracelets, so 100 each from grocery. Yeah, that's that.
Okay, so as one of the organizers of this trip, like, did it actually come to expectation? Do you feel like it went the way it was supposed to go or anything?
Yeah, it went beyond my expectation. Actually, the kind of movie that we expected, the more exceeded. So I'm happy for the turnout. Yeah, and I'm happy that we are going to enjoy ourselves to the fullest. And God take us back safely.
This was your girl, Makemeja Asuba, of course. Hey guys, so now we're here with the painting guy. He actually lives in Liberia. I don't know his name, so we're gonna ask him like what's his name and where he lives. Probably you guys might want to do something, then you might contact him. So my brother, like, what's your name, please, and where do you live?
So my name is Matas Doa. For Instagram, you call me Yabo Magazine. I live on the Oro.
Okay, guys. So he said his name is Henry, and on Instagram, your name is what?
Yabo Magazine.
Yabo Magazine. So if you want to contact him for your painting or whatever, you can go at him as Yabo Magazine on Instagram. So he's actually doing some good paints. Like, come closer, please. Come closer. Okay, so here is my brother Lansara. Like, how did you see your painting?
Well, for me, I'm impressed, seriously, because what he did is a brilliant work. All I can say to him is that you should keep it up. Keep it up, bro.
Okay, thank you. Oh wow, look at that waterfall. God is good. God is really good.
You won't control the thing. You'll be okay. Won't postpone the idea. You won't go in rush.
So we can print this.
Just in a few, make it for us, small.
To my pillow, I print this one.
No. Oh, they have everything inside your drinks, eh?
Amiga, você se o é achando soni.
Ready, Zaya? Full step. Hold dream, drink it too. What do you want now?
My juice waste.
Don't do that, bro.
So guys, now it was time to go home. It was 7 p.m. We were all ready to get on the bus and start our trip back home. So we got home at 12:30 a.m. and everyone just went their own way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and click on the bell notification to get notified for every video that I post. Thank you.